Hi, I'm Joseph Hoffman, and in this tutorial, we'll be walking through how to play the Sorcerer's Apprentice as featured in Disney's Fantasia. Let's come to the piano to get started. Let's hear the whole piece once. Now, let's break it down. We're going to start by looking at the left hand. You'll notice this piece is written in 3/8, and we've got a single F sharp in the key signature, which tells us we're in the key of E minor. Notice the left hand starts on this low E. Here's my middle C, so we're almost 2 octaves down from there with finger 5. And there's lots of staccato dots in this piece. So make sure you're releasing those notes quickly. I recommend keeping your fingers close to the keys. Sometimes a student will play a staccato by like flying in the air, but then you're out of position. Keep your fingers close to the keys and just do a little lift. Think of plucking the note, almost like pulling tissue out of a tissue box, right? You're gonna just kind of pluck up. The little lift of the wrist, but keeping your fingers close to the keys. Now, since we're in 3/8 time signature, every 8th note or 8th rest gets 1 beat. So let's start at the beginning, and I'll count out loud. I'll go a little more slowly than I played it just a second ago, so you can copy, pause whenever you want to practice on your own. Otherwise, I'll just go through and point out anything you need to notice along the way. Here's 3 beats to get started. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, watch out for changes. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Notice we've got that A sharp now. 2, 3, 1, 2. Now a C sharp, 3, then back to A natural. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now finger 4 comes to a B sharp, and B sharp is equivalent to C. So B sharp equals C. B sharp right here. 1, 2, D sharp, then C sharp, 2, 3, then E sharp, which equals F. Why are we writing it this way? Well, because F was already sharp and C was just sharped in the measure before. So it's actually to help make things super clear. So let's go back to the start of measure 24. 3 is on C sharp. 1, 2, then E sharp, then D sharp, 2, 3. And don't forget that the Fs are automatically sharp because of our key signature. So this is also a sharp. Measure 25 again. 1, 2, 3, and then 1. So notice there's a lot of times where the left hand's just going back and forth doing these simple fifths. When you get a pattern that repeats in music, it's easy to get lazy and stop noticing the details. So watch out for when it changes finally in measure 14, 15, 16. In measure 16, the left-hand pattern starts to change. And then practice measures 15 all the way through 26 extra times left hand, because this is where it gets tricky. You don't need to worry about the easy parts, right? Focus on the tricky parts. Practice that lots of time, left hand alone, so you get comfortable with all those sharps and naturals. Notice those little details. Let's keep going now to measure 28. Left hand part, finger 2 is now on D sharp. Here we go. I'll count 3 beats and then we'll start. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And don't forget that F is still automatically sharp because of the key signature. And then going on 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. You've seen that pattern forever, right? But don't get lazy. Keep watching. Here the pattern changes. 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. F sharp. Don't forget to sharp that note. 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Finger 2 comes up to that A sharp. 3, 1, 2, 3 to F sharp. 2, 3 to C sharp. 2, 3. And then we're going to play this scale going down. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then a pianissimo E minor triad at the end. Now pause if you would like some time to work on the left hand alone, getting comfortable with all those shifts, all those intervals. Again, this is going to go a lot faster. The tempo indication is vivace, which means lively. So we're going to be playing this 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Almost too fast to count, but take your time, start slow, and gradually build up your speed. Now let's take a look at the right hand. One tricky thing about this piece is both hands are marked bass staff. That's rare to see, but to create this kind of really mysterious mood, the composers place both hands down in the bass staff below middle C. So make sure your right hand is here just a little bit below middle C. And let's try this out now. I'll count 3 beats. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And again, make sure your wrist has a little lift, keeping your fingers close to the keys. A little whoop. Keep your wrist flexible. A little lift helps that staccato sound nice and crisp. Now going on. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Finger 2 crosses over there for the D sharp. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. A sharp. 1, 2, 3. 1. And don't forget these Fs are all automatically sharped because of the key signature. Measure 20. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now right here, make sure your pinky is playing near the tip. Don't karate chop it. You've got that pinky tip, just like all your other fingers need to have a nice shape. Play it correctly. 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Then notice the treble clef. So we're shifting up into treble clef land. So now we're on a B. So finger 1's just going to quickly glide up. And these 2 fingers need to be on C sharp and D sharp, looking ahead to see that's what's coming next. 1, 2, 3, 1. Then finger 1 crosses under to this E, and we've got the main theme again. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now as you're learning it, go ahead and watch the dynamics too. Don't just learn the notes. Try to notice when it's fortissimo, when it's pianissimo, where there are crescendos. Those dynamics are really going to make the piece come alive, along with the staccatos, and then making sure that you practice enough to build it up to full speed. Finally, don't forget to count. The counting and this triple 3/8 feel are what make the piece come alive. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Make sure the right hand is playing on beat 3. It can't just be whenever you feel like it. It's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then as you get that faster and faster, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. It gives it kind of this limping, awkward, silly, kind of like those dancing brooms feel. Now let's put it hands together, but slowly. If you want to hear it full speed, you can rewind to the start of the video when I played through the whole thing. But let's do it hands together once, more slowly, which is how you'll practice it when you're first doing it hands together. Here's 3 beats to get started. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I hope you enjoyed getting started with the Sorcerer's Apprentice. Remember, you can purchase the sheet music, which really helps support Hoffman Academy's mission. Just follow the link below. Or if you're already a premium member of Hoffman Academy, you can download the sheet music for free. Thanks for watching and learning with me, and happy practicing. Hey, Chef, I got one for you. Okay. Why was the broom late? I don't know. It overswept. Okay, here's one. What do you call a potato with a broom? A potato with a broom? I don't know. A sweep potato.